Hi, welcome to Automation and Control Academy. This is the first video of exam preparation series for CAP by ISA, that is Certified Automation Professional by International Society of Automation, or it was formerly called Instrument Society of America. The series is primarily for those engineers and automation professionals who are looking for CAP certification, and this session will also be beneficial for all instrument and control system individuals working in industries and as well as for the students studying automation subject across the globe. As per ISA, CAP certification, it provides you with a non-biased third-party objective assessment and confirmation of your skills and expertise as an automation professional. So, let's figure out who are the CAPs. Certified automation professionals are the individuals who have proven that they possess an extensive knowledge of automation and controls, and that they have the expertise and qualification to excel in their fields. As automation professionals who work in process automation and manufacturing automation industries around the globe, CAPs are responsible for direction, definition, design, development, deployment, documentation, and support of software and equipment systems that are used in control system, manufacturing, information system, and operational consulting. While preparing for CAP exam, the individual must be knowing about he or she should be having extensive knowledge about certain training courses or study guidelines that are relevant to technologies and topics that are related to automation professional exam. However, the scope of this session just is limited to CAP, the body of knowledge. Basically, it encompasses the scope of knowledge, skills, and abilities required for competent job performance. So this session just is an introductory session for all individuals that are looking around, that are to have basic knowledge about CAP. So the first edition was published back in 2005 by Travithon, and 2006 revised edition was published by ISA by the same editor, and the third edition that came quite late back in 2018 by Nicholas Sands. And what happened, as time have changed, we have changed, and technology is definitely changing, so standards are developing and changing as well. So the new topics have been covered in third edition, as these are related to analog communication, motion control, electrical installations, and these are the areas that have been strengthened to and covered betterly in new third edition. Other topics like digital communication, industrial networks, and maintenance, these topics have minor changes as well. As we proceed further, we will be discussing the changes that have been developed. So just to give an insight, I have listed the modules of second edition over here from BOK second edition that was published back in 2006, and you can see it contained around 7 modules, larger modules, and there was a single appendix that was relevant to control equipment structure. Basic control structure, discrete sequencing, and manufacturing were included in a single module, but you will see in third edition these have been split it out. Reliability, safety, and electrical all also segregated in third edition. Integration is a different module in third edition. Likewise, software and work structure, and there are certain additions as well regarding new topics and new safety standards have been added and made part of safety module. We will see later on. So, coming to third edition of A Guide to the Automation Body of Knowledge, that is BOK CAP third edition, that is broadly divided into 12 main domain areas. You can see control basics, field devices, electrical consideration, control system, process control, operator interaction. You can see here safety is a different chapter here, maintenance, integration, and softwares. New edition we can see project management as well. Network communication has been split it out here. So further moving down, we will see how many chapters each domain does have. You can see control basics. I have for your easiness, I have just mentioned number of chapters against each main domain that have been discussed. Further details about or these main domains and further chapter names have been provided also, and you can see in later on. Yes, you can see it, control basics. It has further 4 chapters. In each chapter there are a different number of topics that have been separately discussed. For example, control system documentation, so it covers basically all those areas of control system documentation, starting all the way from PFDs, PNIDs, instrument specification forms, loop diagrams and loop checks and so on. So this is all about first and second module and third and fourth module as well. Likewise, we can see fifth and sixth module, and as well as we move on, you can see each number, name, and number of chapters against each module. You can see. So basically this is just an introductory session, so I won't be discussing each detail, each topic or each chapter here. I'll be concluding the session over here. In next session we'll be discussing each module one by one. So that's all for today. Let's meet in next session. Thank you for being here.